I am ecstatic at this moment. I really don't know what to say. From 2011 till 2017, this by far has been the most incredible and most heart-throbbing karaoke world championship for all of us, because we've seen talent from 7 cities and more each year. But I feel that the formats that we changed to, of having multiple rounds and filtering the contestants, has brought us the best of the best. I'm very, very excited, and I'm so happy we're now at the final point where we're going to select the one male, one female who's going to represent India. And I think it is great. You know, even today now we have with us DJ Hardik, and what I like about the fact that you have so much of, you know, the younger generation today. Obviously I'm not very old though. But the today's generation, we like to create a platform because I think India is bursting to the seams with so much of talent, and you know, it's amazing that everyone wants to come up forward, and you know, no one's shy anymore. They're just coming in there, you know, they take to the stage, they unleash that potential, and that's what everybody wants to do. They want to take their passion and make it into their profession. And one great example is Hardik here. He's young, dynamic, dashing, and he's great at the console. And we're so happy to have him on board with us this year as, you know, the entertainment curator and the official DJ. What would you like to say about KWC and your association with us?
It's been a great thing for me signing up with KWC as an official DJ and the entertainment curator, so that I'll be playing Bollywood, EDM. People will like it.
3 cheers for KWC! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you very much. Love you all.
मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिल रहे हैं हमारे सिंगर्स को, बिकॉज कई बार ऐसा होता है कि सिंगर्स को चांस नहीं मिलता, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिलते हैं, एंड कई लोग यू नो गुमराह भी हो जाते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक कैरियोके वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप, जो अभी विश्व में बहुत ही पॉपुलर है, वो यू नो इतना मशहूर हो चुका है कि दिस इज़ नाउ द 4th और the 5th टाइम Savio has organized this. एंड अच्छी बात यह है कि यहाँ का जो विनर होगा, whoever is the winner will actually go and play in the finals abroad and go as an India representative. So I'm very happy कि ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है हमारे सिंगर्स को, because India is a country with 1.3 billion population. So definitely, you know, singing, dancing, all these talents are a big part of our culture. So I'm hoping that we are going to kind of, you know, really win this title this time, because this competition is not only about singing, it's about performance. It's all about how you can dramatize it. So I have given my tips on video to all the contestants as to what they should do, what they should not do, how they can present themselves, and how they can win the judges' you know, hearts. Let's hope that आज का जो round है, which is the finale, where we're going to decide who the winner is, the best person wins.
KWC with each year is getting better and better, and this year, I mean, it's getting very tough for us to really choose who is going to be the winner, you know, who's going to represent India in Finland. So everyone's getting even better and better. They're like pros now, they're like professionals. So I'm really proud to be a part of KWC this time as a brand ambassador, and really happy to be. Well, my all-time favorite karaoke song is Black Velvet Black velvet and storm southern style. Black velvet, if you please.
I'm so happy to be here. Savio is a friend of mine. Karaoke is something which is a concept which has become huge in the world. It's what सारे देश के लोगों ये competition से जुड़े हुए हैं. And I'm here to support and pick the best from our country, from India. And I hope that this time we find some amazing talent. This is the first time. पहली बार मैं karaoke जज करने आया हूँ. मेरे सिंगिंग शोज में जाते रहते हैं हम, बट वो तो कंपटीशन होता है, अलग किस्म का चीज़ होता है. ये दिस इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑलटुगेदर, एंड आई होप दैट वी कैन फाइंड समबडी हू विल मेक अस प्राउड दिस टाइम. Hats off to Savio, and I hope that India will win the championship this time.
I'm always very excited when there are new singers, new artists, and the Karaoke World Championships always brings up some great talent. And I have been part of this for some time, and I'm always looking forward to some fantastic talent, and I know it's going to be there. Yaaro, dosti, badi hasi hai.
I've known him for a while, yeah, and I'm a big supporter of everything he does. The KWC, they've been running it for a while, and yeah, it's great to be. I wish the contestants good luck. No, it's good. I mean, you know, they're working hard, and it's great. I think generally in music or karaoke, I don't care what genre of music. We have a saying in music: you either got it or you ain't got it. Doesn't matter if you're doing karaoke. I mean, I'm going to be impressed or I'm not going to be impressed. So this just happens to be one medium through which people are expressing themselves. Still got to be a good singer, authentic. What's the feel of the original song? If you want to deviate from that, what are you bringing new to the table? So there's a bunch of things.
Hi, I'm Devesh, director of Play the Lounge, one of the director. We're really happy to host the Karaoke World Championship India finale at Play. It's one of a very well organized event, and as a management of Play, we always like to promote young talent through such platforms. And I really wish all the contestants very best of luck. May the best win and make India proud.
Hi, I'm Samir Gandhi. Yeah, I'm the owner of the Play the Lounge. I will just say that the same thing what I just told. All the very best to all the participants of Karaoke World Champion.
But from Devesh's thoughts, I'd like to mention that we at Play have innovative ideas for, entertaining the crowd. KWC being one more feather in our hat, and I hope this goes well.
Hi, this is Shona Rajput. Well, everyone knows me. I'm associated with KWC for almost 3 years now when I had won my beauty pageant, and that's about me. I'm feeling amazing because I think in past 3 years, the growth I have seen and the talent that is walking, yes, we all want to sing. We all love singing. Music is part of everyone's life, right? But when you see these karaoke singers going to another level, first of all, if you see karaoke talent is way different than the reality show singers' talent. They're not a normal singers, but trust me, the soul they have in the singing that they do, looking at the songs that they are looking at the television, the karaoke, is just unbeatable. And it's amazing how well Savio is taking this talent way beyond the imagination.
We are very much excited. It was an amazing talent. KWC जो चैम्पियन आज हुआ है कराओके चैम्पियनशिप बहुत अच्छी थी. हिंदुस्तान में बहुत बढ़िया सिंगर्स आए थे, एंड वी आर फॉर्चुनेट दैट हमने आज उनको जज किया.
This for me, मेरे लिए ये this is a very wonderful experience because I feel कि जो मेन कॉन्टेस्ट बड़े कॉन्टेस्ट होते हैं टैलेंट का, सिंगिंग का, वो उसमें काफ़ी टेंशन्स रहते हैं. इसमें थोड़ा सा एन्जॉयमेंट भी साथ में चल रहे हैं, एंड लेस टेंशन है, एंड पीपल आर एन्जॉइंग देमसेल्व्स सिंगिंग. I love the idea of karaoke.
Hi, my name is Kavya Vaidya. I'm very excited. It's a new thing. Karaoke competitions बहुत कम होते हैं इंडिया में और बॉम्बे में, और अलग है, मज़ा आएगा. I'm looking forward to it, and kudos to KWC for organizing for such an amazing event and promoting karaoke as a form of music and a competition. नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी.
I'm super excited because the talent is absolutely incredible. 24 people, equal number of men and women, and they've just been singing through the roof. It's just phenomenal.
I'm very happy to support talent like this. It's amazing, and what Savio is doing and what karaoke will do for a lot of people's lives. So I'm very happy. I'm a big fan of people who can sing, and basically a big fan of anybody who's an artist. So I'm here to support that. That's it. And cannot judge a show or a competition, especially when we have likes like these guys. These guys have been legends, huh? So yeah, here's to the legends of music.
It doesn't matter even where we've reached, for the singers to put themselves up here and stand in front of us and sing. You have to be brave, and I'm with each and every one. For me, there are no losers tonight. They're all winners. And I just want to end by saying, who does your hair? Because I want to know who your hairdresser is.
I just woke up like this, Manjeet.
I don't believe it. I want to know the number. No, but I'm a big supporter of Savio, and I love what he does, and I'm here to support him. God bless.
Yeah, exactly like Ranjit said, Savio's been really pushing this. He has been the pillar of this entire movement, and I think so many Indians are lucky that they can stand up here and sing just because they feel like, and they can. And I think that's fabulous, and it's lovely to be on stage with all these guys.
They don't give a flying fuck. They're with their friends or their girlfriends and they just want to have a good time, bring my next vodka. You know what I'm saying? But then so in that situation, yeah, he's going to nail it. Okay. So all these 10 amazing singers who sang today, I want to say I had trouble giving points. And I know you guys have been singing for so long. I mean, I just heard you today. And hats off to Savio. Very well done. Okay, I'm so happy. I was hoping he's not very hard, but I mean, he's like smoking hard once he starts singing, I would do you. Seriously. And I'm so happy that he won because I think I can dub him tomorrow. I mean, he's ready. You're ready. He's ready for to hear that. It's amazing. Congratulations.
I just want to say one thing right now. Okay, I mean. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Julie, Savio, everybody, Mario, Farhad and Anita for supporting me throughout. I want to really say one thing. See, I was very suspicious whether I should sing Hindi or not. Because all of the contestants were singing Hindi and English, yeah. I sang 3 English all in Pune, so I thought when we are going international, when we are going at international level, we should promote our own language. Why not? We should go and sing our own language, right? I know English also there. I want to do Hindi also, yeah. What a range!
I want to remind you something. The world's highest downloaded song is not English. The world's second highest downloaded song is not English. It's Korean and Spanish. It's Gangnam Style and Despacito. So, dude, you're the shit. You know what I'm saying? And you have to sing 2 lines first. Any song, 2 lines. Your style.
This is So the remaining song will be sung in Hindi. Thank you so much.
Can you please? I'd like to request the finalists.
DJ Hardik. Who's you're better so much like what is this? Dennis!
This